Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and let these go. I got a 240 down leg. I'm gonna have to help this thing out because I got too many orders. 204. But you know. Okay. Alt C. Here we go. Had the wrong one. Okay. Turn that darn thing off. It'll get to where just like that. Uh, see time. Okay, gotcha. Okay, I need it like this. Okay, trade. Okay, let me see. If you notice, two of those are okay. Now it's going to go ahead and go some more. There's another one. Two of them had the same time, like right here. When they have the exact same time, they won't close properly. I think I had 204. When you have 204 orders, there's going to be a lot of them that will have the exact same time. And that did it.